Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to sign out of your Steam account. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see in my previous video, I had created an account and signed in. Now all I want to do is sign out. Well, that's quite easy. Follow me step by step. At the top right, you can see your email address right here. That is Manage Account. Click on it right now. Once you do, these things will open up. From here, lots and lots of options. But right now, all I want to do is sign out. At the very bottom, you can see a button like this that says Sign Out. Click on it right now. It's gonna ask for your confirmation. Hit on Confirm. And guys, that is it. As soon as you click on the Confirm button, you will be logged out of your Steam account. That is it, guys. That's how you log out of your Steam account. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Until next time, thank you.